I'm a magical unicorn. I'm so geeked right now, y'all. Did you know that's my favorite saying? That's how ball, ain't it? Wee! I'm a bee, buzz, buzz. I am so geeked right now. Did you know that's actually my favorite saying? Wee! I'm a cow. Moo! Can you tell I'm geek twin? That's actually my favorite saying. Wee! I'm a scary tiger, rawr. I am so geek right now. That's a ball, ain't it? Wee! Twin, you gotta get that fucking Valentine's Day gift already. I'll make it easy for you. Here's a gold heart necklace for her. Wee!